You see, now that the wall has been cleaned by the sea, by the storm, you can see more of the structure, or let's put it this way, I can see more of the structure for some reason. It's like a language. It's a language. What I'm showing you here is like, it's a language and sound. The stones are antenna or resonators for energy, frequency, but whereas humans today have everything to do with, want to have wind power or solar power, etc., probably because the clouds cover the sun, or if a major volcano goes off, the skies would darken and there could be 1 to 2 years of extremely dense cloud cover. You wouldn't be having your solar panels working in that. So what these beings did is they transmuted sound. You see, sound, it's the key. Sound is the key. And they developed a natural technology, which is of course much more robust than trying to create something. They developed a natural technology, and of course stones, of course rocks and stones, which they might also have actually formed themselves with composite materials. Of course they're going to resonate with sound. This is it. This is why it's all megalithic, massive megalithic structures, because they're working with sound. I just hope that you can hear the change in the resonance with the microphone. I'm trying to use the microphone to listen to later and figure out more what's happening. But it's not just because I'm close to a wall with cover and there's something else happening here. It's not as simple as people might want to make it or to try and hide it. But these materials are... This is something else. It looks like volcanic stone. I mean, it has folds and it has that watery effect, but it could actually, it's like a, what's the way to put it? It's like a mixture of variations of resonant composite stone or composite materials. And the way they have done it, I mean, I can see the language, because the way it's put together is also part of the structure. The way this has been developed is a language. It's a language more powerful than the Mayan glyphs or hieroglyphics. It's a language and sound, because of course I'm looking at it, I'm understanding it, but I'm thinking, well, how could I interpret it? Oh man, it's made it fantastic. You could never see this detail before. I have to, man, I'm in heaven here right now. I've just gone to, this is like harmonic resonance heaven. This was not visible in this way before.